guys. Now we're in our first day here. The first day. Hapon talaga yung dating natin dito kahapon. So guys, nandito po kami. And you can really feel the provincia vibes here. Because it's so pretty and
Dapat hindi ka ganyan
relaxing.
mag-video.
Bakit?
Dapat back. Parang ginaganon mo na lang. Parang di ka nag-ganon.
Bakit ba?
Dahil lang eh.
Nag-vlog ka rin.
Ang dami oh. Ano?
Cut on cam.
Birthday ka pa lang.
Popost ko yan.
Di ba ito ginawa mo sa akin?
Yeah.
And guys, today is my father's 60th birthday. Grabe yung sakit ko pag walang leg.
Now we're gonna do my...
Dito ka. Walang leg.
Kasi ang daming insekto. We're gonna do... We're gonna do my skincare. So first, guys, I will show...
Dapat may tripod tayo.
Ikaw ang tripod ko. This is my pads. And yeah, I'm just gonna get one pad for my toner. And that's my skincare, you guys. Parang naging ano siya eh. Oh, where's my sunscreen, Mom? This is my toner. Ayun mo. This is my toner. It's clindamycin phosphate. Ay? Clindamycin phosphate. Antibacterial. And now we're gonna go put it on my face. Ayoko na, pangit ko. So yeah, then we're gonna put it on my forehead because as you guys can see, it's so many there. It's so many. I'm gonna put it like, ulo, no, nasusulong ko. Bakit?
Yung mata mo kanina.
Manasan yung sandal ko?
Malay ko.
Ay, magkakasama lang sila.
Ay, nandun lang sa plastic. Hindi, wala ba dyan?
Wala.
Yun.
Pwede ba? Children's pa yan?
Ano? Ay, ako sa Facebook. Yan, tuloy natin.
Hanggang ano oras yung worship niya?
Mag-practice pa sila.
Sige. Di
Ano
ba?
tayo nakita mo na, te? Ha? Hindi mo pa rin nakita? Wala ko na din sa'yo. Wala pa rin. Hindi pa rin siya nilastili. Opo.
Ba yun? Look at that.
Yan. Sinasagot yan. Ayos na yun. Oh. Diba ilagay mo ito sa mga na mouse?
Nag-choir kami ta. Nagka-choir na kami. Choir time.
Eh, ba't may dala kang ganito? Binigyan kayo neto.
Hindi. Kinuha ko lang.
Yung souvenir.
Hindi, kasi feeling ko pagkataas eh, nasusuka ako.
Parang nga naiwan yung kaluluwa ko eh. Look at that. Please use this bag
Para
in
siyang
case
ano,
of air sickness. Tears here. Up. Hope you feel better. Wala kaming ganito. Meron pala.
Saan?
Pingi. Kinain lahat ng blue eh.
akin yan talaga.
Ang daming orange.
Maayan kasi yung bahay niyo. Binuksan niyo.
Hindi.
Yan yung...
Yan ba yun? Hala, tingnan mo. May tape siya. Ano yun?
Come on.
Ayan o. Hindi, diningdingan niya din. Ayaw niya magpasilip.
Ha? Ano na?
Da kami.
Okay, so, at today ay rindig ko ika-60th year niya ata ni Mother Day. Wow, so di kasi na-celebrate ng birthday sa atin. So kakanta tayo ng birthday sa kanya. Sabi na natin si Matina, bukas birthday mo rin, no? 11 years rin, no? Sige, sige. So, today. So, kasi na ano, mga birthday and then, okay tayo sa ating
Shining, blazing bright in the night, bringing every soul unto the light. We stand to reach the prize, pointing to the lost, and proclaim that Christ paid the cost. Till the Savior says, "My child, hold on." We are striving together for the benefit of the gospel. We have not heard that Christ has come to seek and die, knowing that the only way, no matter how they try, who will tell His praise is love and heed the Lord's command. Preach the gospel, spread the hope. see bright in the night. Bring every soul unto the light. We stand to preach the cross, reaching all the lost, and proclaim that Christ be the cause. Till the Savior says, my child, hold on. We are striving together for the pain of the gospel. We are striving together for the pain of the gospel. We are striving together for the pain of the gospel.
So today guys, we're gonna eat our lunch. You guys see this? It's so cute. Pakita mo naman. We're gonna eat our lunch. Bye.
Ano ba?
Vietnam. Ikaw din. This is my sister.
Oo, alam mo, ang ganda doon. Halika, may papakita ko sa'yo. Oo! Video mo!
Hi guys, we're going to the room of our sister Jane
Uy, ba't pupunta dyan?
and Manali.
Oh, the view is so good.
Uy, the bundok, ang ganda.
Tatlong bundok.
Picture mo kami.
Di ba? Ang ganda.
Picture.
Picture.
Dito ka man.
Picture. So guys, we just got home. Oh wow. This is my sister. So guys, we just got home. So today, naka 0.5 ako. Wow, ganyan ko 0.5. Pang. Ano ka 0.5? Hindi siya naka 0.5. So guys, we just got home. Huwag kang maglukod, girl. Paano ako magsasalita? So we just got home, guys. Kanina ka pa ako just got home. And we just got home from the resort. Sige, got home na naman. Yeah. Parang nag-swimming kami, guys. Ano, mga ilang 15 minutes. 15 minutes na ligo. Tapos, lumayo ka. And now, as you can see, guys, I'm wearing this pajama yesterday. And I'm wearing it tonight. And I'm wearing it tonight again. Because I only have one pajama. And, no, but I'm not gonna wear this for the rest of the week. Sabi mo kanina. Or not. Parang siya. So guys, that's what my life is. And yeah, I'm just living my life here. Because next week, I'm gonna cry about my missed activities. And ayoko na. Itigil na natin. Tumatasik yung laway mo. ang puti mo dito, tapos ang iba ng skin color mo.
Hindi, maputi talaga.
Hindi, totoo.
And tomorrow, guys, we're gonna go to Katiklan. Ano? We're gonna go to Boracay. Yeah. Malapit ba ako?
Oo. Kanina ka pa.
Yeah. We're gonna go to Boracay. Bawat tanong sumasaya. Nakikita ka. Nag-ikay ka piling na. Piling mo natin. Parang chest lang pantropiko.
Parang salitang pantropiko. Hindi niya na alam lyrics.
Pantropiko. 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 Sa islang pantropiko. Ano yun? Pantropiko. Pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Bye. I'm gonna eat. Woo!
Hindi marunong kita si Daddy. Tama na!
Salamin, salamin. Ayan, yan. Yung may bilisan. Turo mo, hindi ko alam. 1, 2, 3, go. Alit nga, paano? 1, 2, 3. Ah, ganun. Tapos, tapos,
Kita ka kamo.
uy, nakita ko. Ang ganda.